Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to enable weather conditions on Google app using your mobile. So to start, open Google app and from the dashboard, so go to where you can see sunset today, then swipe it and go to settings. Now from here, you can manage your sports interests, your finance interests. So here you can see weather and you have sunrise and sunset. So let's enable weather. So let's toggle it on just like so. And you can turn off sunrise and sunset, or you can toggle sports on or finance and click on done. And as you can see, we already have the weather condition in here. So as you can see, my place is in Ozamis. So you can see 32 degrees. So if you open that, you'll see a full view of your weather conditions. You can also change the date or the day into Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, for example, Saturday, and on the following days. And you can also click the three dots right here to change or to select the temperature unit. So you have Celsius or Fahrenheit. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.